What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yep, I'm back at SeaWorld Orlando for another construction update for Penguin Trek. Hopefully there's been a lot of progress. Let's go. And right now, somewhere around 81 degrees. Parking was a breeze. Ticket windows, not much of a line. And it looks like at the turnstiles, also not much of a wait. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through. We are on our way. It's been 5 weeks since I was last here. And the weather I was used to, well, really cold. Somewhere around 8 degrees some days, snow, 2 feet of snow. It's nice to be back in Florida. A lot of the banners for the 60th. Bubbles all over the place. And there's been other updates we've had showing off the 60th. Check them out. SeaWorld pin trading, and we've shown some new ones recently, and they're pretty much all gone out of stock. But we do have this one. Past member has the pink chicken on it. It's glorious. Plus the great white up there too. Dolphin nursery, and the rubber bloops are out. Seven Seas Food Festival is still ongoing. A lot of great food and drinks to be had here. You can get a sampling lanyard, and I suggest you get that. And it looks like Sky Tower is in operation. Good news. Although Sky Tower is in operation, because of what time it is, we're heading over to the Sea Lion and Otter Stadium to get views there first. And then we'll go back to Sky Tower. Oh, bummer. Left side pathway is closed right now. Can't get really close, but we'll go up this way. Alright, that's weird. Blocked off at the bottom, not at the top though. Awesome views. Just off to the side of the stadium, we have work on the ramp, so it's handicap accessible. Getting close. As of right now, I'm not seeing any wear marks on the track, so I don't believe any testing is happening, at least full course. Fingers crossed that'll happen soon, but normally that's a telltale sign. Some wear marks right there on the rails. Alright, now we're back over at the Sky Tower. Still in operation. I hear the cable's slapping a little bit, so there is some wind. Hopefully we can get on and it doesn't shut down. Oh yeah, the eclipse is today also. A little different, not seeing a lot of birds out here today. There is a construction duck over there though. No, my poor fountain. What have they done to my boy? Well, not in operation. Sad day. Looks like the fish are bedding. We can see one right there. And there's a fish actually right there next to it.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. 300 feet. We thought you would. Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 30... Did you know that as the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for a lush tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim alongside the sea from As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for a lush tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim.
Oh, water park.
To find more information on any of our award-winning events, guided tours,
Awesome views per usual from Sky Tower, a penguin track. We can see a lot of work going on, repainting and netting in place, fencing in place, all the things you need if you want to do testing, and it's looking pretty good. Now we're gonna get really close. This pathway over here has been open since I was last here, but we showed it in our updates, but first time for me seeing it. Love how close you get. Over on this side, construction walls. One other thing I wanted to note, if we want to see testing anytime soon, we need to see grouting, and sure enough, there's some right there. From the foundation to where the base plate of the column is, you can see it fills in right there, makes it all nice, and a lot of them have it done, if not most of them, actually. I see torque seal on the bolts. That's a good thing. Tell you what, views are awesome right here at Penguin Trek. Flying overhead. It's gonna be nice.
And this is a new one right here.
That's the one you would
And just down the way over here, work for that ramp leading to the stadium.
That set her apart. Now what that means is her whiskers are just significantly longer than the majority. Now what this tag does is it's literally a name tag, like an ID badge. This is a larger sea lion, a larger male. His name is Radner. Radner has a birthmark over his right eye. She dumped her face in coffee. That's exactly what it is. And I'm sure why that's important here in just a moment. But now every trainer might have their own. We kind of get asked a lot here. This is why I said I'll talk to you about why it's important to know.
Yeah, that's it. They go fast. It was 25 minutes.
But because of this, we have something called so they know to break off in the group to be in smaller groups together. Right? And so you know that orange umbrella right there, indicator of a shirt standing called sea lions will be underneath that orange building on the other side. And then so now that trainer on the other side will have to identify, okay, now I have one. What happens? Good question. Now, the answer to that first half.
This other area has been open for a little while. Construction walls are down. My first time seeing it. Looks awesome. The building for Antarctica Empire of the Penguin, now for Penguin Trek. Well, it's seeing a little bit of work. You can see a door open up at the top. Journey to Atlantis, and as we can see, currently in operation. Guests are enjoying themselves. The wait time currently for JTA, only 5 minutes. Not bad. Kraken's running. 2 trains, only a 5-minute wait. Not bad. Manta, currently showing a 10-minute wait. Not bad. And of course, my favorite part of the day, pink chickens. Good to see them again. Duh. We also have a coaster bun. See? Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Penguin Trek construction. As we saw, fencing is up, netting is up, sensors are in place, grouting is in place. We've seen power has been onto the ride as well. Hopefully testing will happen very, very soon. We didn't see any wear marks on the track, so no testing that we know of as of right now. But again, we are on Penguin Trek testing watch, and we'll let you know when that does happen. Of course, SeaWorld Orlando is having their 60th celebration and the Seven Seas Food Festival. We're gonna have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.